Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open settings, then you have to enter special features, I guess. No, not here. Additional settings, then go to the accessibility, then go to the hearing, no, vision, then go to the TalkBack. Here you have to enable this accessibility.
TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction.
And that's how you. No, I wanted to turn it on.
TalkBack on. TalkBack.
As you can see, press and hold volume up and volume down for 3 seconds to turn off. And now
Back button.
we have TalkBack enabled.
Back home button. Double home. System launcher. Settings.
So let's try to
Double tap and hold to long press.
deactivate it by holding volume buttons.
Alert, use accessibility shortcut. Use accessibility shortcut. System launcher. Settings. TalkBack off.
And that's how you can turn off TalkBack, just by holding these two buttons with your fingers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.